For a while, I didn't really feel like myself. I feel like sometimes we get stuck in a place, and sometimes we may just stay a bit too long. For me, my stay was long overdue. But we all have that choice to change the way we think and ultimately the way we feel. We may not be able to change the situation we're going through, but we do have the ability to keep picking ourselves up. God's placed a purpose in all our lives, and maybe we just aren't able to see it because we've spent so much time in that place. Maybe it's time to pour out what's gone bad and pour in something fresh, something new. God's blessed us with all the ingredients we need to build ourselves up. All our gifts and all our talents, we've been given them for a reason. He has a plan for your life, a purpose. And even though things get a little bit messy sometimes, and sometimes we don't really understand what's going on or why things are the way they are, but I know that when we trust in Him, eventually things just start to come together. But you need to know that things can go wrong. Things won't always look the way you think they're supposed to, and sometimes that's not easy. Some days you find yourself falling back into that place, and some days it's a little bit harder to push through. And through all of that, remember that God is always with you. You just gotta keep kneading out all those bad thoughts and all those bad feelings. You're not always gonna get it right, and honestly, you just need to be patient with yourself. Just keep kneading it all out.
Look how big it's got. Oh, that makes me so happy.
Slowly but surely, you're not going to be in that same place anymore. And now that you're not, remember to be more gentle with yourself. Be patient with yourself and do the things that make you happy. But most importantly, always remember that God was with you through it all, and He'll always be with you. So love yourself, so you can allow others to feel the same love. You're going to create something amazing. All it took was a little bit of time.